Coaster Crew fans, today we're in Hershey checking out the monorail construction. Let's take a look. And you can see there's only one more piece that needs to be put in place, and then the circuit is complete. It's the only piece left. So that's your new route. A little bit shorter. You can still see the same stuff, so that's good. And here's the old Chocolate Avenue station that they don't use anymore. That's going to be coming down as well. It's still up. But the monorail used to connect there and go by there. There's the old ticket booth for when they used to sell tickets to get on the monorail at Chocolate Avenue. So that's going to be gone. Now we're thinking this is also the building for a new chocolate spa. And we believe it's going to be going in this building here. So that's going to explain one of the reasons why they moved the monorail. So that way the monorail isn't going right over or right close to the building where people are going to be going in and out. And the monorail also used to go behind that sign, and that's no more. So not only did they get it away from that building, but they also got it away from this building here. So I guess that's good for business purposes. And now we have a look at Triple Towers at Hersheypark. The Kisses Tower, the shortest tower, has its topper sign attached. This orange one is the Reese's Tower, which is going to be the medium height. And this is the Hershey's Tower here, the brown one. That's going to be the tallest. So yeah, coming along. Alright, that's a wrap from Hershey and Hersheypark. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. See ya.